Hello guys, welcome to another daily outlook on EURUSD. This is the 6th of September 2023 and yeah, let's jump right in. So from our yesterday's analysis, we saw that price broke structure to the upside. Let me just open the 4 hours chart. Okay, so let me open the 4 hours chart. So we saw that price broke structure to the upside yesterday and it pulled back into the extreme levels. So we're looking to continue riding this long, possibly to the EQ before we see signs of reversal. But as you can see, price just pulled up a little bit before selling off. But yeah, if you were looking at the 15 minutes and 1 minute time frame, we had some nice entries from there. You saw from the video yesterday. That would have given you a very nice entry. Now, let's just jump back to the weekly time frame. So if you remember, I told you the weekly was bearish, right? I told you it was bearish and we had seen a pullback into the premium level of the zone. So we were expecting a sell-off. And right now, if you remember, I told you that this structure would break. And we have seen this break. So that means we are starting the bearish move right now. And this bearish move is going to be a very long one because I'm expecting price to actually get down to this level, right? And you can see this is still very far. So yeah, this is where we are on the weekly. So let's jump down to the let's see how the daily is looking. Yeah, so you see this was the pullback before the sell-off on the daily time frame. So right now you can see that we are currently in a pullback. So I'm expecting price to just not to create a deep pullback, but just something very light, and then we'll continue selling off. So I'm expecting that zone to hold, right? Or at most this other block here, at most this zone here. That is what I am expecting to hold, but this is of higher probability for me before we continue the sell. Now if I should drop to the 4 hours time frame, right? So what do we see on the 4 hours time frame? First of all, you see that price has switched bearish to favor the weekly order flow. As you have seen, you can see this price has broken the structure to the downside. Now also we can see that we are currently in a pullback, right? So this is our fractal high, this is our fractal low, and price is currently in a pullback. Where would this pullback end? We don't know, but I am expecting this pullback to, I don't know if it would end, I'm not sure it would enter this level, right? This other block, at least this supply zone at this level, but we may see it reach this EQ, right? This zone on the EQ, we may see price come into that level. We don't know yet, we are still looking. And thirdly, okay, yeah, I said we're not expecting a deep pullback due to the way price broke structure. I'm just expecting this supply zone to hold if at all price is going to push deeply inside. I'm not sure price will get to this EQ, this zone. This I refined it to those to those weeks, but this is the whole zone I'm expecting to hold, right? Because of the way price broke structure, and you can see how price has been falling. It wasn't creating deep pullbacks, so it's just sharp, a deep to fall, minor pullback, and it continues going down. So yeah, that's what I am expecting on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see the 15 minutes how it's looking. So all right. On the 15 minutes, let's see what we have. What would our fractal low be? High be? Yeah, I think our high is going to be somewhere here. So I will just put that. This is going to be a fractal high, right? And if price is going to react from here, should would see if price will break this structure or if price is going to react from these candles here on the 15 minutes. Okay, you can see price is already in that zone. We are seeing rejections. but we don't know if it's going to hold yet. But yeah, let's see. This zone here, can we refine it? I'll just leave this zone the way it is. I remember this is the 4 hours fractal high, so I'll just send this to the 4 hours time frame. Alright, and this is where we are. Let me see how the 1 minute is looking since we are inside that zone. Alright, so on the 1 minute, since we are inside this zone, we could look for, change of character to write this trend down. So what can we see on the 1 minute time frame? In the 1 minute time frame, we have this high. mm, this. So I think we are currently within this range on the 1 minute time frame. We are within this range, price is just falling inside, giving us this range. So possibly I'll wait for either this low or this high to be taken for price to confirm where it's actually going to. So yeah, right now you can't say if it's pulling back or if the retreat if price is going to continue moving down or if it's going to go up because it's currently caught in a range on the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, it's inside the Asian range. So yeah, let's wait for more price action to form and then we'll be able to safely say where price is going to go. But ultimately, from the weekly and 4 hour perspective, price is just in a pullback and it is going to continue downwards because yeah, obviously we have a lot of space to work with. So this a lot. So yeah, this is my perspective on Euro USD for today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.